look at how we can use combinations ability. What we have is a group that involves a jury to be selected. Yourself, you can actually use Excel to your advantage. Now there are other programs you can use. Some people have calculators that have these options. We're going to look at Excel because it's something that most people have access to. So first off, we consider that there are 8 students and 10 faculty, or 18 people that are eligible to be chosen. So I want to figure out how many different ways get the old data out of there. I want to figure out how many different ways I can put them, there we go, in a 5-person committee. So I've kind of set this up to be the total number of ways I can accomplish this. Now I'm going to go up to the Formulas tab and insert a function. Depending on the version of Excel you have, it might look slightly differently. I'm going to look for combination. What I see is C-O-M-B-I-N, combin. I'm going to say OK, and it pops up a box. The first is the total number of people. There are 18 people total. 5 will be chosen to be on this committee. So there are 8,568 different committees I can make. And the first question says, what is the probability they are all students? Well, if you think about all students, there are 8 students. Think about everybody sitting in a room. There is 8 students, and I want to randomly close my eyes and have them all be chosen to be students. So I want 5 to be students. So I'm going to take my insert function. You notice Excel actually remembers what I used last. Totally cool. It's right up here. I can just insert it. And I'm going to say I have 8 students total. I want to choose all 5 people on my committee to be students. Right? There are 56 ways that this can happen. In order to find the probability, I just have to divide the 56 by 8,568. We can actually do this in Excel. By typing the equal sign, it tells Excel, become a giant calculator. 56, I can click on the cell, divided by the slash, the total. And there you have your probability. You're welcome to round to 3 or 4 decimal places, whichever you choose. What's the probability that they are all instructors? Same idea. Right? I'm going to insert a function, and I'm going to find the total number of ways of 10 instructors to randomly select all 5 of them to be instructors. 252. To find the probability, I want to just take equal sign, calculator, divide the number of ways to choose all instructors by the total number of ways to complete this. So I've got my probabilities. Now all I have to do is write these over on my Word document. Now I know I told you you might want to show some work if you want. So you might want to write something like 56 divided by, what was it? I can't even remember now. 8568 equals 0.006. There you go. Now you're showing some work. 252 divided by 8568. Got to go back and look and see what that was. 0.29. 0.029. And then we're going to look at what's the probability of selecting, bad spelling, selecting 2 students and 3 faculty. Let's go back over to Excel. 2 students. Well, I'm going to do a combination. There are 8 students total. I want to choose 2 of them. 3 faculty. Same idea. Combination. 10 faculty total. I'd like to choose 3 of them. Now in order to get my top number of my probability fraction, I'm actually going to multiply the possibilities. 28 times 120. In Excel, the multiplication symbol is the little star, which is above the number 8. You have to press the Shift key to answer it, or to access it. Then I'm going to go ahead and find the probability by dividing. 0.392. So again, you could show your work. I think I'm crazy. 0.392. Okay, got it. To how you got that. And let's look at how we can use probability and combinations in conjunction with each other.